You see, Artie, you know, his character design was patterned after my body. I don't know if you can tell that, but, you know, the shirt's kind of loose. But,
No, actually, you know what? I loved playing Broly. It's just Broly didn't love me. He was so hard on the voice, you guys. And by the way, can I just say something real quick? I just remembered. Monday morning, I fly from here directly to Dallas to record Full Metal Brotherhood for 3 days. So I would like to ask your indulgence, please. Just have mercy on me. I would like to ask you not to ask me to do like any more like crazy short rants and Broly and all that kind of yelling stuff. I love doing it. If I weren't recording next week, I'd be happy to oblige. But if I show up on Monday and I don't sound like I should, they'll kill me. So, but Broly was really hard on the voice. He was a lot of fun to play. And I would love to cosplay him, but I would need like major Mark McGuire steroids. With the kitty cat. Was that a cat? Is that a cat? No?
Yeah.
Okay. Yes.
It was you, Armstrong, Andy, Creed, Stewie, and Troy, and they're all zombies. What would you do? Sparkle zombies.
Sparkle zombies. That's really the best time, right? What would I do?
Yes.
What would I do?
Rod.
I would make them all brownies.